Families all over the valley desperately searching for family members trapped in that chaos in Mexico. ABC 15's Cameron Polam joins us live with their story. Cameron?
Well, just imagine being here in Phoenix while your family members and loved ones are fighting for their lives. That was the reality for one local family I spoke with earlier today, and they say it was an app that most of us use every day that finally brought them peace of mind. While these trucks are empty now, very soon they'll be filled to the top.
We need a lot of stuff for the volunteers that are in Mexico City right now. If you have axes, if you have hammers, crowbars.
If the list seems unusual, it's because there's nothing normal about these images. Video of collapsing buildings, people young and old pulled from beneath them.
They need to break down the concrete. They need to break down, all the stuff that it's in the way of getting people out.
People like his niece, Ricardo Aguirre, says she was caught in the middle of the chaos, and after nearly 10 hours of Facebook messages pleading for an update.
It says if someone can please help us locate a family member in Mexico City.
The call finally coming at around midnight. Mayor Cruz was safe and alive, but many others still remain in critical situations.
They're still alive at 9:19 a.m.
This Facebook message sent to Aguirre's relatives, a neighbor and his family still trapped in the rubble, pleading for help. Aguirre's wife still emotional thinking about it.
More than afraid, it's more of a concern, for the family.
But tonight their focus now shifts to those they can help by making sure these trucks bring the much needed hope to so many suffering.
We got to get them out of here as soon as possible.
Now get this, Penske actually donated the use of those trucks for his effort. Costco has also committed a pallet of water for his efforts into Mexico City as well. If you'd like to get involved and donate any items as well, we've put his information on our website along with the story at abc15.com. In Phoenix, I'm Cameron Polam, ABC 15 Arizona.
Thanks, Cameron. A lot of people reaching out to help tonight, and there are a ton of resources for people who are trying to reach their loved ones in Mexico. If you want a complete list, just head to our homepage at abc15.com.